Thank you, Dennis,
Hello.
for time. Yeah. Hello
Yeah.
from Indonesia. Dennis, first of all, you were supposed to fight Stam in this event.
Yeah.
You were supposed to fight for the title. This development must be disappointing for you.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. The I'm sad because Stump is injured. Of
Mm.
course, I feel bad about her injury, but of course we were waiting for that opportunity for a long time, and then now it that happened. It's unfortunate, but we're not there's nothing we can do about it.
Yeah, yeah. Did Stam call you after she got injured?
Actually, before her announcement to the public, I messaged her about her injury, and
Mm.
I told her to rest and recover fast.
Yeah. And how is your preparation now that you changing opponent? You have new opponent in this event. How is the injury of Stem affect your preparation?
Nothing changed.
Mm.
I'm still on the track, and then I just changed a little bit of our game plan because my opponent, she's really good in jiu-jitsu and judo.
Yeah, yeah. And how do you see Noel Granger as your opponent?
No, well, I trained with her before in in Fairtex with
Mm.
Stamp and
Yeah, yeah.
Nat Wonder Girl, and then I know her very well, like Stamp as well. Um I know that she's very strong. Her body is very strong. Um her judo, because she's a black belt in judo, and then also her striking is good.
Yeah, yeah. But this must be a risky fight for you because you were supposed to fight in the title fight, and if you lose this fight,
Yeah.
maybe the chance will be gone. Why are you taking this risk for taking this fight?
Actually, that's what I'm also thinking when I accepted the fight, but I just don't want to waste my training
Mm.
because I've been preparing for the title shot since December, I guess. So I don't want to waste my training, so I just accepted anyone. And I'm also confident that
Yeah.
if I pull this fight on, I think I deserve to have like interim championship.
Mm-hmm. Uh, but you confident that one will give you again the title fight after you win against Noel. Do you
I
have
think
confidence that? Yeah.
that's reasonable. I think they
Mm.
will do that for the sake of the atomweight division as well, because it's not about me, it's about the whole division.
Yeah, yeah. Mm.
Yeah.
And Dennis, how do you see the competition in the atomweight division now that Angela Lee is not there anymore? Now Stam is, know her well. Now she's the champion. How do you see the competition in that division?
I can see our division is very active
Mm.
because there's a lot of fighters also in one Friday fight nights. Who's very good, and then they're very impressive about their fights. So I think the the atomweight division will be very busy.
Mm. Yeah, yeah. And can you tell us the story of your friendship with Stan? This is the background of this fight. People always saying, how are you going to do fighting your friend, fighting your former teammates? What is the story behind your friendship with Stan?
Actually, when we trained before in their gym, we were the training partners.
Mm.
There's a lot of there's a plenty of girls there, but mostly two of us are training partners, and
Mm.
then outside the training, when it's like weekend, we're doing like dinner with her family, and then sometimes we go to their province and then visit their farm, something like that. So it's not like training partners. We're really like close friends and sisters.
Yeah, yeah. And does she inspire you somehow? Because we know that she once a champion in Muay Thai, in kickboxing, and now she's a champion also in MMA. Does she inspire you to pursue the goal in your career?
Yeah, of course. I think Stamp really inspired everyone, not only me, but everyone in these sports, because I know how she trained, and the sacrifices that she does in her career is very very impressive.
Mhm. And you train which time in Fairtex? Maybe in 2019,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
2020. Yeah, it's a long time ago. But what kind of experience you get from training in Thailand? We know the country is the origin place of Muay Thai and kickboxing. What kind of experience do you get?
There's a lot of experience that I got in training in Thailand, because I train different people, different from different country, and also they're really like high level fighters, international level of fighters. Um, it's very rare to have like that kind of training there in Thailand compare here in Philippines. But the disadvantage of having training in Thailand is like um I'll be like homesick in my home country.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And Dennis, now that have you have left the Fairtex gym, how different do you think your path and stem considering the way of your fighting style? Does it very different now that you have left Fairtex gym?
I think her striking game really
Mm,
improved a lot, because
yeah.
she trained like 2 times a day in her Muay Thai, and then her Muay Thai is her base. So I think that Muay Thai improved a lot, but I think she focused a lot in her wrestling and ground game. And
Mm,
then I can see there's a lot of improvement between two of us, not only her and not only me, but both of us are improving, because we're really training. And me, I'm in the rank, and then she's the champion. I think we're in the peak of training that we have to be consistent.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Dennis, it took 4 or 5 years until you and Stem were fighting. When you were teammates in Fairtex, do you guys have a pact that we are not going to fight each other unless it's a title fight? Do you have some kind of pact like that?
We never talk about fighting each other, because um talking about that is like awkward. But I think there's a time that when I left the gym, I think there's a moment that she thinks that we're fighting. We will
Mm-hmm.
fight soon, something like that, because we're in the same division.
Yeah, yeah,
But we never talk about fighting each other.
yeah, yeah, yeah. And Dennis, how about Ham Seohee? Do you have a grudge for her? Because let's admit that she is the only one who beat you in your entire career. Do you have a grudge on her? Do you want to meet her again to prove yourself?
Of course, there's a like disappointment in myself fighting harm, but I'm trying to improve myself, and then if there's a time that we face each other again, I'll be ready.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And Dennis, of all your fight, which one you can say that this is the best performance of Dennis Ambuang?
I think my last fight,
Mm,
I think I could say that my last fight was my best performance, because I used my striking skills or boxing skills with that match.
yeah, yeah, yeah. And what is your strongest weapon?
I could say my wrestling skills would be
Mm,
my advantage.
yeah, yeah, yeah. And Dennis, if I'm not mistaken, you have two nicknames. the Menace and
Yeah,
Lycan
the
Queen.
Lycan Queen. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I'm using the Menace, the
The
original
Menace.
one. The Menace is the original one, and then when I train in Maroc, we've changed it to Lycan Queen. It's like a wolf, and then now, yeah, I'll bring it back to the Menace.
How do you get the nickname?
Um, the owner suggested to change it because the Maroc is like wolf, and then Lycan Queen, it's like a
Mm.
queen of the wolf, something like that.
Yeah. And maybe last question for me, Dennis. What do you do in your spare time when you're not training, when you're not fighting? Daily activity.
Oh yeah, I like spending time with my dogs, and then I like doing like motorbike, riding motorbike. It's like out of the gym, it's different
Mm.
vibes, different views, something like that. Yeah.
Yeah. I think I saw something moving on your
Yeah,
background. Is that your dog? Yeah.
that's my dog, yeah.
Show me. Ah, what's her name?
So, Coco.
Coco. Oh, is he or she?
COCO. So naughty.
Yeah. How many dogs do you have, Dennis?
I have only two.
Only two. Yeah.
Mm.
Me, I'm also a dog lover, but I think right now I'm stopping taking care of one because I lost two of my dogs.
Oh, it's really sad. I don't
Yeah,
want to be on that situation. It's really scary.
yeah. Dennis, thank you so much for your
Thank
time.
you, thank you, thank
Yeah,
you.
good luck on your fight, and I hope
Thank
you
you.
get the win that you deserve, and you
Yeah,
go to the title fight next. Thank
yeah.
you.
Thank you, thank you.
Terima kasih sudah menonton. Silakan subscribe, like, dan jangan lupa komen di bawah ya bola spotter.